Having trouble receiving texts while traveling abroad with ALDI Mobile? Here's why it happens. ALDI Mobile operates on Verizon's network, and international texting issues often arise due to roaming complications, SMSC settings, and frequency band incompatibilities. First, let's look at how ALDI Mobile works. It uses Verizon's network infrastructure. Roaming allows your phone to connect to foreign networks when traveling outside the US. However, texts can fail if these networks don't properly route SMS back to Verizon. The Short Message Service Center, or SMSC, is the network's hub for text messages. ALDI Mobile uses Verizon's SMSC, which may not be recognized by foreign carriers unless manually updated. Lastly, your phone must support the frequency bands used in the country you're visiting. Many US-centric phones don't fully support bands used in Europe or Asia, leading to dropped connections and failed SMS delivery. These problems persist because SMS relies on older protocols compared to modern data-based messaging apps. First, ensure you have an active international plan with ALDI Mobile. This enables roaming for voice, data, and texting when traveling abroad. Next, update your Short Message Service Center to Verizon's International Gateway, +1 908 552 000. Access this in your phone's settings under Network, Messages, or APN configurations. Check your phone's frequency band compatibility for the destination country. Apps like Network Cell Info can help diagnose band issues that may cause texting failures. If issues persist, try Wi-Fi calling for voice and data-based apps like WhatsApp, which bypass traditional SMS and SMSC problems entirely. ALDI Mobile's roaming app, launched in Q2 2025, automatically configures SMSC settings and provides band compatibility diagnostics to simplify troubleshooting. Switching to a band-compatible eSIM can resolve issues in areas with unique spectrum allocations, offering instant compatibility without physical SIM swaps. Remember, 60% of overseas texting problems are resolved by SMSC resets. By 2030, as carriers transition to IP-based messaging, these SMS issues will hopefully become a thing of the past.